Bananas are one of the most widely consumed fruits in the world, loved for their natural sweetness, rich nutritional value, and versatility in cooking. Every year, over 19 million tons of bananas are harvested globally to meet growing consumer demand and export needs. So, how are bananas actually harvested? What is the planting and care process like to ensure high-quality banana bunches? Let's explore more in the video below. Unlike many other crops that are sown from seeds, bananas are propagated by separating young shoots from the base of the mother plant. Healthy shoots with high yield potential will be carefully selected for new planting. Banana trees grow strongly on nutrient-rich, well-drained soil and have abundant water sources, so choosing a suitable planting location also plays an important role in the farming process. After planting, banana seedlings need careful care to ensure healthy growth. One of the important factors is regular watering, especially in the early stages, when the roots are still weak and have not yet developed deeply. Bananas need stable moisture, but the soil must also be well drained to avoid root rot. Periodic fertilization helps supplement necessary nutrients, especially potassium and nitrogen, two important elements for the growth of stems, leaves, and fruits. In addition, pesticide spraying needs to be done at the right time to protect plants from harmful agents such as stem borers, beetles, or fungal diseases. At the same time, weeds must also be controlled to avoid competing with banana plants for nutrients and light. Thanks to proper care, banana trees grow healthily, creating a foundation for the flowering and fruiting stages to achieve high productivity. After about 6 to 8 months, the banana plant begins to bloom. Initially, the flower has a deep reddish-purple color and is carefully protected by bracts. As it develops, the petals gradually open, revealing clusters of small flowers inside, where each banana hand will form. Beyond its agricultural value, the banana blossom is also a nutritious food, often used in dishes like salads or slaws, offering numerous health benefits. As the banana bunch gradually develops, farmers continue to closely monitor the growth process of each bunch of fruit, checking size, color, and general condition to ensure healthy growth. Besides maintaining the protective bag, they also adjust the position of the banana bunch if needed, helping the fruit develop evenly and avoid warping. At the same time, old leaves and underdeveloped or damaged fruits are also removed to optimize the plant's nutritional source, contributing to improving quality. When the bananas are ripe, the harvesting process begins. This is a job that requires a lot of labor and care to avoid damaging the fruit. Workers will check each bunch of bananas to determine ripeness before carefully cutting them from the tree. Each bunch of bananas usually contains 8 to 12 fruits, and on average, one worker can harvest about 500 bunches per day. After harvesting, bananas are transported gently to avoid being crushed before being processed. Currently, on large farms, pulley systems are often used to transport bananas from the garden to the gathering area, helping to minimize damage and save labor. Thanks to this mechanism, bananas can be moved quickly without having to carry heavy loads, improving harvest efficiency. Upon arrival at the factory, bananas are washed by soaking or spraying with water to remove dirt before being put into production. Quality control is important, with workers inspecting around 3,000 bananas per hour, selecting only those that meet standards for packaging. After being cleaned, bananas can be left whole or carefully separated into smaller bunches depending on the specific market requirements. To extend shelf life, these banana bunches are carefully packed in specialized cardboard boxes, helping to effectively preserve their freshness, flavor, and maximum nutritional value. This meticulous process ensures that bananas remain in optimal condition throughout storage and transportation, ultimately delivering the highest quality products to consumers worldwide. In addition to fresh bananas, the factory also produces many types of banana snacks, such as crispy dried bananas. In another area, about 1,000 kg of fresh bananas are peeled, sliced, and fried in hot oil at 180 DEC for 2 minutes, creating crispy, delicious banana pieces that appeal to consumers. After that, the bananas are cooled, carefully packaged, and ready for distribution to the market. Processing banana snacks not only helps make the most of harvested banana resources, reducing waste, but also contributes to product diversification in the current banana industry. The banana industry clearly demonstrates the importance of agriculture. Currently, bananas are one of the world's most exported fruits, boosting the economies of many tropical countries. Ecuador, Colombia, and the Philippines are the leading exporting countries, providing products to millions of global consumers. To meet growing demand, the industry continuously improves production, transportation, and storage to maintain quality and reduce environmental impact. So that's the end of today's video. Hope you have a better understanding of the unique banana harvesting process. Have you ever visited a banana farm? Please share your opinion below. If you like this documentary, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on interesting content about agriculture. From the distinctive agricultural fields of Japan, Konjac. A unique perennial crop has been carefully cultivated and meticulously nurtured over time to serve a wide range of industries, including food, health, and beauty. But how exactly do these simple and unassuming tubers undergo such a fascinating transformation into refined products like facial cleansing sponges? Join us in today's video as we delve into the detailed processes of cultivating, harvesting, and processing konjac. Konjac is a widely cultivated crop in Japan, where it grows naturally in the wild and is also farmed on a large agricultural scale. With a shape resembling other tubers like potatoes, konjac tubers are highly prized for their numerous health benefits. They are commonly used in the production of a variety of food products. However, before we delve into how these tubers are processed, let's first explore the cultivation process to better understand how konjac is grown. The cultivation of konjac begins in the laboratory, where seedlings are carefully propagated to ensure optimal growth. In the past, sprouts from old konjac tubers were traditionally used to grow new plants, but nowadays, more modern methods have been adopted. These sprouts play a crucial role in the harvesting process, ensuring that konjac fields remain productive and maintain their yield year after year. Konjac planting begins in May, after seedlings have been carefully selected in February. Konjac is often planted by hand, as farmers create small ridges in the soil to place the seed tubers. They are then covered with soil, ensuring the right environment for growth. In the past, this task relied mostly on manual labor, but modern agriculture now utilizes machinery to speed up the planting process and improve efficiency. Once planted, konjac tubers take about 5 to 6 months to fully mature. During this time, the plant grows a unique stem and develops the tuber underground. By the end of the season, the fields are filled with mature konjac plants ready for harvest. Although it is a hardy plant, konjac still requires the use of pesticides to protect against pests. Harvesting is the next important step in the konjac growing process. Konjac can be harvested either manually or by machine, depending on the scale and method of farming. The tubers are harvested once they have reached their maximum size and the sprouts for the next planting season have developed. This ensures that farmers can maintain the yearly cycle of planting and harvesting, keeping the supply of consistent. The choice of harvesting method not only affects labor efficiency, but also impacts the quality of the tubers after harvest, ensuring that the product meets the standards required for consumer markets. Konjac yams are then transported to the factory for processing. The first step in the process is unloading and thoroughly washing the yams to remove all dirt and impurities. Konjac yams can be processed into various products, including Konjac cakes, a unique and popular product. Join us as we explore the details of this fascinating production process. After being cleaned, the outer skin of the yam is peeled away, leaving only the nutritious flesh inside. This flesh is then finely ground, mixed with water and a small amount of lime to create the right consistency and to give the product a soft, chewy texture. The mixture is kneaded by hand into a smooth dough, which is then shaped into bite-sized cakes. The next step is to boil the Konjac cakes, ensuring they are evenly cooked and achieve the ideal stability, guaranteeing their chewiness and durability when used in various dishes. After cooling, the cakes are carefully packaged in airtight bags to preserve their freshness. The result is delicious Konjac cakes, rich in fiber and low in calories, making them a perfect choice for those pursuing a healthy and balanced lifestyle. Konjac also plays a significant role in skincare, particularly through the Konjac sponge product. The production process of Konjac sponges with extracting fiber from the Konjac root, which is commonly known as glucomannan. This fiber is then mixed with water and various other natural ingredients to form a gel-like mixture. The gel mixture is poured into molds to create the desired size and shape, and afterward, it is steamed to solidify and stabilize the structure. Following the steaming process, the product is carefully dried to completely remove all moisture, giving it a soft and porous texture. Afterward, the Konjac sponge undergoes a rigorous quality inspection before being packaged and distributed to the market. Thanks to its softness, safety, and eco-friendliness, the Konjac sponge is well known for its gentle exfoliating ability, making it a popular choice in skincare routines across the globe. Thank you for following along on this journey to explore the cultivation and processing of Konjac in Japan, as well as its amazing applications in daily life. From the careful farming process to the production of Konjac cakes and Konjac sponges, we can truly see the value of this special plant. If you enjoyed the video, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more exciting content. Don't forget to leave a comment below to share your thoughts. See you in the next video. Konjac sponges, made from the Konjac plant, have become a popular Japanese export, particularly in Europe and North America, where demand for eco-friendly skincare products is on the rise. These sponges are prized for their gentle exfoliating properties, biodegradability, and high quality, meeting strict Japanese standards. Through careful production and quality control, Japan has positioned Konjac sponges as premium skincare tools, offering an environmentally friendly alternative to synthetic products and furthering the global reach of Japanese agricultural goods in sustainable beauty markets. Hello everyone. Today we will dive into the world of agriculture and explore the harvesting and processing of two famous tropical fruits, pomelo and oranges. Let's begin by harvesting juicy pomelos and turning them into dried pomelo. Then head over to a farm where oranges are carefully harvested and processed into pure orange juice. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Have you ever wondered how sweet red strawberries are cultivated? Each year, the world harvests up to 9.2 million tons of strawberries, an impressive number that makes an important contribution to the global food industry. But how are these strawberries grown, cared for, harvested, and processed into products such as frozen strawberries or premium jam? Let's explore this entire process in the video below. Growing strawberries begins with careful soil preparation. Farmers plow and loosen the soil to loosen it, which improves aeration and ensures the best conditions for root growth. The soil beds are carefully shaped to ensure good drainage, avoiding waterlogging that can harm plant roots. To keep the soil moist and regulate temperature, a layer of plastic mulch is spread over the beds, helping to control weeds and create a stable environment for young plants to grow. When the soil is ready, semi-automatic planters will place the seedlings at the ideal depth and distance, ensuring uniform growth. They will automatically drill holes in the soil bed before placing the seedlings, making it easier for the roots to stick to the soil and grow more stably. Thanks to automation, planters help farmers significantly reduce labor, increase planting speed, and maintain uniformity between rows of plants, thereby improving farming productivity. Farmers use modern sprinkler or rotary irrigation systems to distribute water evenly across the entire field, minimizing waste while still ensuring plants receive the required amount of water. Spraying is an important step in strawberry farming, helping plants grow healthily and preventing pests. With a thin and succulent skin, strawberries are susceptible to diseases such as powdery mildew, fruit rot, and leaf pests, so it is necessary to spray at the right time and dosage. Currently, modern machinery helps distribute medicine evenly, reduce waste, and improve production efficiency in a safe and sustainable way. Over time, strawberry plants grow vigorously, producing small white flowers that attract bees and other natural pollinators, helping to increase fruit set rates and improve fruit quality. Thanks to effective pollination, these flowers gradually develop into small green strawberries, which then turn into the vibrant red fruits we commonly see when they ripen. Harvesting strawberries is a meticulous process because this fruit does not continue to ripen after picking. Therefore, they must be harvested at perfect ripeness. In California, which supplies about 90% of the United States' strawberry crop, harvesting is primarily done by hand to ensure the best quality. Farmers carefully move through rows of plants, select the ripest berries, and gently place them in harvest bins to avoid bruising. Each year, approximately 55,000 workers are employed on strawberry farms in California, earning between $15 and $20 per hour. Under the scorching sun, they work tirelessly to ensure that only the highest quality strawberries reach consumers. Despite the demanding nature of the job, these dedicated workers play a crucial role in sustaining the large-scale strawberry industry. Currently, strawberry harvesting machinery has been developed, but its application is still limited due to the fragile nature of this fruit. Some farms have used semi-automatic harvesters, mainly conveyor systems or forklifts, that assist workers in picking strawberries. For complete automation, companies have developed strawberry harvesting robots with artificial intelligence, capable of identifying ripe fruits through image sensors and lasers, then picking them with robotic arms without crushing them. Although it cannot completely replace manual labor, harvesting robots are gradually shaping the future of agriculture. Fresh strawberries will be packaged directly at the garden, then boxed and transferred onto pallets ready for export around the world. The packaging process is carefully done to ensure strawberries retain freshness, limit bruising, and prolong storage time during transportation. Besides eating fresh, at modern food factories, strawberries are processed into many products that can be preserved for a long time. After arriving at the factory, strawberries are transferred to the conveyor belt and put through an automatic machine system to remove green stems. This process is carefully designed to ensure the berries remain intact. After the stems are cut, the strawberries are washed with high-pressure jets and large immersion tanks to remove dirt and any chemical residue. After the cleaning process, workers check by hand and remove fruit that does not meet quality standards. Selected berries are put through a flash freezing process, where they are cooled at temperatures ranging from 90 DEC to 20 DEC. Once frozen, they are sorted by size and packed into protective containers, ready for distribution to supermarkets and food manufacturers. A large part of strawberries is also used to produce jam. Bags of frozen strawberries are poured into large industrial cooking pots, where they are mixed with sugar, natural pectin, and sometimes lemon juice to create the ideal consistency. This mixture is stirred well to maintain a beautiful color and avoid burning. After about 30 minutes of cooking, the jam reaches perfection and is poured into jars through an automatic system. The lid is tightly closed, then the jam jar is quickly cooled with water to stabilize the internal temperature. Finally, the jars are labeled, packaged, and ready for distribution to stores worldwide. The journey of strawberries is a testament to human creativity and effort. Every stage, from meticulous care to the application of modern technology, contributes to creating delicious strawberries. Which step in the production process are you most impressed with? Please share your thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next interesting videos. Did you know that hops are the soul of every glass of beer? Each year, American farmers harvest more than 104 million pounds of hops, enough to make billions of bottles of beer. Not only does it bring a charming aroma and harmonious bitter taste, hops are also a natural preservative, helping beer stay fresh and rich over time. But how are hops harvested, processed, and processed to retain their characteristic flavor? Let's explore this entire process in the video below. As fall approaches, American hop farms enter the most important period of the year, harvest season. This is the time when the fresh green flower clusters filled with fragrant essential oils are ready to become the main ingredient for premium beer glasses. At this point, the hops have reached their ideal size, with round buds, tightly packed flower scales, and a layer of golden lupulin inside, emitting a rich aroma, a sign of the best time to harvest. Harvesting procedures vary depending on the size and level of modernization of the farm. On large farms, the hop harvesting process has been completely automated. Modern machines, equipped with super sharp blades, can process hundreds of hops vines in just a few minutes. As they move along the tree bed, mechanical cutting arms simultaneously cut both the top and bottom, causing the tree to fall onto the conveyor belt or directly into the truck below. Thanks to advanced technology, harvesting takes place quickly and efficiently, ensuring hops are always fresh for the beer industry. On traditional small farms, farmers still harvest by hand, using sharp knives to cut individual vines over 6 meters high while standing on raised platforms. Then, they gently drop it onto the truck or pull it up by hand for transport to the processing facility. Although it takes a lot of effort and requires high technology, this method helps preserve the most precious essential oils in each flower bud. Once harvested, hops enter the next stage, processing. Once they leave the field, they need to be handled with extreme care to maintain freshness and quality. This process is carried out using a simple but effective method. Metal fingers, screens, and blowers work in unison to separate flower buds from vines and remove excess leaves. Each variety of hops has different characteristics, so the cleaning system needs to be flexibly adjusted. The difference in density and weight of flower buds requires machine operators to constantly monitor and adjust to ensure the most accurate and optimal bud separation. Once separated, the hops move through a conveyor system to the drying floors. Hot air is blown from the bottom up through the mesh panels, helping to reduce the humidity of fresh flowers from about 80% to 10%. Each stack can be filled and emptied separately, helping to keep hop varieties from mixing and ensuring a continuous 24-hour harvest. Immediately after leaving the kiln, the hops are still warm and need a final cleaning. The airflow system helps remove remaining impurities before the hops are put into cold storage, maintaining a temperature of 0.5 DEGC to stabilize humidity. Once completely cooled, they are compressed into 200-pound bales and transported to storage. Finally, the hops are put into cold storage for preservation in optimal conditions. Here, they are thoroughly tested for moisture, temperature, weight, cleanliness, color, and fragrance. After being stored, hops enter the next stage of processing to create the distinctive flavor of beer. During brewing, hops are added at different stages to balance bitterness and aroma. When introduced early in the boiling process, they contribute to a well-rounded bitterness, while later additions, especially through the dry hopping method, enhance aroma without significantly altering the taste. After fermentation, the beer is aged to refine its flavor before being filtered and packaged. The hop's journey does not end with each harvest, but continues with the cultivation process to maintain productivity. Before the new growing season, farmers prune to remove accumulated mounds and old roots from previous seasons, helping to clean the soil and remove dry vines, while also reducing the risk of disease. Then, high-quality seed roots, also called rhizomes, are planted in early spring in rich, well-drained soil to prevent root rot. In addition, some farms use young plants to grow in greenhouses during the off-season. Thanks to stable development, these seedlings are often planted later but still grow healthily. Spraying hops is an essential step in cultivation. During the growing season, farmers use modern spraying systems to protect the plants from pests and mold with pesticides, fungicides, or biological treatments. The timing and frequency of spraying are adjusted according to the plant's growth stage and the severity of pests. As a result, hops grow healthily, contributing to the distinctive flavor in beer production. As summer passes, the hop plant gradually flowers and develops into bunches of ripe green buds. By late summer or early fall, when they have reached their optimal size, these flower buds are ready to harvest, and the life cycle of the hops begins again with a new care cycle. So you have joined us to explore the entire process of growing, harvesting, and processing hops. What impressed you the most on this journey? Have you ever witnessed an actual hops harvest? Please share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming exciting documentaries about agriculture. Have you ever wondered where those sweet, crispy shoots of bamboo shoots that appear in your meals come from? Every year, bamboo shoots, a precious gift from nature, are harvested from dense forests and carefully tended farms, making an important contribution to agriculture. But how are bamboo shoots grown, nurtured, harvested, and processed before reaching consumers? Let's explore this exciting journey in the video below. Bamboo is one of the fastest growing plants in the world, and its bamboo shoots are a favored dish in many cultures, especially in Asia. The process of growing bamboo shoots begins with choosing the right variety. Farmers often choose varieties such as moso bamboo, sweet bamboo shoots, or local bamboo species famous for their soft and delicious young shoots. Farmers will choose mature bamboo trees that are 1.5 to 3 years old, then use a saw or sharp knife to cut them into pieces about 40–60 cm long, and will usually keep a small part of the roots to help the tree take root quickly. After cutting, the bamboo segments need to be soaked in water for about 3 days to retain moisture and stimulate germination, helping the plants not dry out when planted. For bamboo plants to grow well, the soil needs to have stable moisture, good drainage, looseness, and rich nutrients. Bamboo is placed at a 45-degree angle or vertically so that at least one sprout eye is above the ground. After filling with soil and compacting it to stabilize the tree, it needs to be watered enough to help the tree take root quickly. After about 2-4 weeks, bud eyes begin to sprout and grow into young bamboo shoots. Over the next 2-3 months, the plants become sturdier, producing more shoots and spreading outward. Once the bamboo clump is established, the underground root system continuously pushes up new shoots, especially during the rainy season or when the soil is moist. To keep them tender and protect from sunlight, farmers often cover the base with soil, allowing them to continue developing underground for a longer period. The bamboo shoot harvesting process requires precise timing. Shoots must be collected while still young, usually when they remain underground or have just emerged, before they become hard and fibrous. The optimal harvesting time depends on the bamboo variety and local climate, but typically occurs in spring or early summer. Some bamboo species also produce shoots in winter, which are highly valued for their exceptional tenderness. Bamboo shoots are typically harvested manually, using specialized digging tools. Harvesters must carefully dig around the base and cut close to the shoot without damaging the root system, ensuring that new shoots continue to grow throughout the season. In traditional bamboo growing regions, harvesting is usually done early in the morning to preserve the natural moisture and freshness of the shoots. Immediately afterward, the outer layer is peeled off to extract the tender core, which is then quickly transported to processing facilities or markets to prevent spoilage. Fresh bamboo shoots contain some natural compounds, such as cyanogenic glycosides, which can be toxic if not handled properly. Therefore, processing plays an important role in ensuring food safety. To effectively remove toxins, bamboo shoots are often boiled or fermented before use. The most common method is to boil bamboo shoots in water for 30 minutes to several hours, depending on the size and type of bamboo shoots. Some traditional methods also combine boiling with rice bran or kitchen ash, which not only helps detoxify but also makes the bamboo shoots taste more delicious and retains its natural crispness. After being packed into yellow boxes, bamboo shoots will undergo a high-temperature sterilization stage to eliminate remaining bacteria, prolong shelf life, and ensure food hygiene and safety. Thanks to strict processing processes, bamboo shoots retain their freshness, natural flavor, and can be preserved for a long time without the need for artificial preservatives. Finally, the product is thoroughly tested before being distributed to the domestic or export market, ensuring to bring consumers safe, quality products that meet strict standards. Sliced bamboo shoots are a common ingredient in food processing. After being peeled and cleaned, bamboo shoots are sliced thinly, then blanched in hot water to remove bitterness, unwanted compounds, and help maintain the natural white color, while also prolonging shelf life. Next, the bamboo shoots are washed again and classified according to size and quality. Finally, the bamboo shoot slices are packaged using vacuum technology to ensure freshness when brought to market. Bamboo shoots are an indispensable ingredient in many Asian cuisines, often used in stir-fries, soups, curries, and pickles. With its crisp texture and mild flavor, bamboo shoots are versatile in food preparation, suitable for a variety of recipes. In Japan, China, Thailand, and India, bamboo shoots are not only a dish, but also have deep cultural significance and are often used in seasonal dishes, especially during important traditional festivals. The journey of bamboo shoots, from the ground to the dinner table, is an exciting process that combines traditional farming knowledge and modern techniques. Have you ever tried bamboo shoots? What dishes do you like to prepare from bamboo shoots? Share your thoughts in the comments section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to watch more documentaries about agriculture. Have you ever wondered how plump, sweet pomegranates reach consumers? The United States, one of the world's major pomegranate producers, harvests about 1.7 billion pounds each year, primarily from farms in California. But how are these bright red pomegranates grown, cared for, harvested with modern machinery, and processed into products such as juice or packaged pomegranate seeds? Let's explore this amazing journey in the video below. Pomegranate growing season usually begins in early spring, when temperatures become warm, creating favorable conditions for the tree to take root and grow. Before planting, farmers use plows to loosen the soil, helping to improve drainage and moisture retention. At the same time, organic fertilizer from livestock waste is added to provide necessary nutrients for young plants. Once the soil is ready, this is when the plants will be ready to be planted. Pomegranate is often propagated by cuttings, helping the seedlings retain the best characteristics of the mother plant. Once the roots have grown healthy, the seedlings are transferred to a large-scale garden to continue growing. Thanks to the support of modern and advanced machinery, the tree planting process takes place faster and more accurately, helping to reduce labor effort. In addition, the distance between trees is carefully calculated to ensure that the trees have enough space for optimal growth. In the early stages, pomegranate trees need to be watered regularly to form strong roots. Large farms often use drip irrigation systems to provide water effectively and economically. Although mature pomegranate trees are drought tolerant, young trees still need adequate watering to grow stably. In addition to watering, farmers also apply organic or synthetic fertilizers rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to promote plant growth. To protect plants from pests, pesticides are sprayed at reasonable intervals, usually every 2 months throughout the growing season. However, farmers need to choose the right type of medicine and apply it in the appropriate dosage so as not to negatively affect fruit quality and the surrounding environment. Besides, combining biological control methods and maintaining good farming conditions also helps limit pests in a safe and sustainable way. After about 3 to 4 years, the pomegranate tree begins to bear fruit. Pomegranate flowers usually bloom in spring, are bright red, and attract pollinating insects such as bees. Pomegranate trees also have the ability to self-pollinate, helping the fruit grow even without assistance from insects. As the flowers fade, young fruits form, which then gradually grow throughout the summer. Under favorable weather conditions, pomegranates will turn red or yellow depending on the variety, marking the stage of full ripeness and readiness to harvest. To protect fruit quality during the ripening stage, farmers apply bagging to minimize environmental impact. This method not only keeps the fruit clean and avoids damage due to external influences, but also helps regulate the level of exposure to sunlight, preventing tanning or cracking. Thanks to that, when harvested, pomegranates still maintain their bright color, smooth surface, and achieve high commercial value. Harvesting is an important step in the pomegranate production process. If harvested too early, the fruit will not reach the desired sweetness, while harvesting late can cause the pomegranate to crack or reduce its commercial value. Unlike some fruits that continue to ripen after picking, pomegranates retain their sweetness at the time of harvest. Therefore, farmers often take samples before picking to ensure the fruit reaches optimal ripeness. On some large farms, machines assist farmers in the harvesting process. The conveyor system can be adjusted in height to suit each tree, helping the harvesting process go smoothly, while the seats on the machine are also designed to be flexible for harvesters to operate more easily. Deep grooves on the conveyor belt help keep pomegranates stable, limiting impacts that affect quality. After picking, the pomegranates are placed on the conveyor belt and moved gently to the collection basket at the back. Before entering the basket, they pass through a rotating device with a soft cloth attached to help clean the surface, ensuring the fruit meets standards before moving to the next stages. After harvest, pomegranates are transported to the processing plant and undergo a strict inspection process to ensure quality. The first stage is washing to remove dirt, sand, and bacteria. Pomegranates are put into a high-pressure water spray system combined with a soft brush or disinfectant water tank for thorough cleaning without damaging the skin, helping to prolong preservation time. Next, they are sorted using optical scanners or manually inspected to assess their size, color, and surface quality. Fruits that do not meet the required standards are separated for other uses, while automated sorting machines continue to classify them based on size and weight to meet market demands. Finally, the pomegranates are packed into trays or boxes with soft padding to prevent damage during transportation. Thanks to modern processing technology, pomegranates not only retain their freshness, but also maintain high quality when reaching consumers. The journey of the pomegranate from the garden to the consumer is a combination of farmers' dedication and advanced technology. Next time you enjoy a fresh pomegranate or a glass of nutritious juice, remember the effort behind it. How do you find this process? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next exciting agricultural documentaries. See you in the next video.